Hey guys, so Bride's Best Friend, season 3. I have no clue what's gonna happen. I'm just here to watch. So if you want to watch, again, links are always in the description. The start of the episode for season 3 is an actual recap. So I've skipped a majority of it, as you can see. So about 4 minutes is a recap of what happened in the previous seasons, and it's a good job that they did it because it's a small show, but at the same time there's quite a lot of bullshit. So quick summary: two best friends. One's like, I want to kiss a girl. They kiss. And then bullshit. Then they finally get together. More bullshit. Like, one had a fiance. Someone's got a stalker. So they finally get together. Get married. Turns out she was pregnant and she had a miscarriage. And then they try and get pregnant again. She has another miscarriage. And then they decide to go the adoption route, and they adopted they're in the process. Well, the last season left off as them in the process of adopting a boy. So yeah, outside influences. You've got the ex-fiance. And the stalker. They didn't come into play at all in season 2, which I was quite surprised with. I thought there'd be bullshit and drama from that. And then on the side characters, you've got her work partner and Thingy's friend getting together. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get to it. And we have the stalker. Oh, and I miss the girl that helped them with the adoption process was Thingy's. Was Thingy's first girlfriend. So you had a bit of, again, bullshit. And I may have to keep muting the music because some certain music is copyrighted. It's really random what is and what isn't. So if it randomly goes quiet, that's why. On a completely random note, is that not the jumper you stupid wife? I don't think it is, it's too bright. Used a similar one.
Vamos comer alguma coisa?
Ju, agora não.
Fê, faz 3 dias que você tá assim. Se fosse eu no seu lugar, você ia estar me obrigando a comer.
Yeah.
É diferente.
Não é, não.
Ju.
Ó. Toma o suco de melancia que vai hidratar.
Tá, mas só o suco.
Eu tô há 40 minutos na cozinha, preparando esse café da manhã. Valoriza meu job.
Você sabe cozinhar muito bem torradas industrializadas.
Eu sei. Eu sou excelente na cozinha. Foi por isso que você casou comigo, lembra?
O que eu fiz de errado? Bom dia, Caio. Eu preciso que você faça a reunião hoje com os ingleses pra mim, que eu não vou conseguir, tá?
Aconteceu alguma coisa?
Aconteceu. Eu não vou conseguir fazer a reunião e eu preciso que o meu sócio, por gentileza, faça a reunião pra mim, pode ser?
Mas, Fernanda, é a última reunião antes do recesso. Tu sabe que eu não estudei nada disso. Não tem como eu conduzir essa reunião sozinho.
Bom, você tem algumas horas pra isso.
Fernanda, você sabe que todas as vezes eles querem você na reunião, eles não querem outra pessoa. Você sabe que eles não vão gostar.
Caio, caralho! Será que pelo menos uma vez na sua vida você pode fazer o que eu tô te pedindo sem reclamar? Saco!
Fernanda?
Looks like the gay. No, he's not gay. He's gay in real life. Queer in real life. It looks like the best friend is back. He's best friends to both the girls. He grew up with them. Fucking hell, are they playing up this entrance?
Meia lesba? Quanto tempo, né? Me abandonou?
Dani, que saudade. Então, na verdade, eu liguei porque eu precisava de uma ajuda. Só não uma ajuda, mas eu queria alguém pra conversar. Será que você pode vir aqui em casa?
Não, peraí. Tem algum problema com o Vitor?
Então, esse é um dos assuntos que eu quero conversar.
Eu tenho que só fazer umas coisinhas aqui e mais tarde eu tô aí, tá bom?
Tá. Eu te espero aqui, então.
Beijo, te amo.
Beijo.
I'm not trusting that song. I don't know why, I'm just not. Just, nah. How is that candle not fucking with the book? Someone is in super stalker mode. I'm assuming it's a woman. I'm assuming it's a stalker cousin that had a one-off relationship with Let's go back. Let's overanalyze that. Yeah, I think it is the stalker cousin.
Ai, só você pra me trazer um cafezinho agora. Não sabe. Fernanda me meteu numa. Parece que ela arrumou uns problemas aí e eu vou ter que fazer a reunião pra ela. O pior de tudo é que eu não estudei nada dessa reunião, os clientes não são meus. E a reunião era hoje, a minha sorte é que eu consegui marcar pra amanhã. Só que eu vou ter que passar a noite aqui estudando, né? E esse teu café vai me salvar. É uma delícia. Só que eu tinha te chamado aqui pra outra coisa. É um assunto bem sério.
Como assim?
A gente tinha agora da temporada dele.
Now, I knew that. I knew this was going to fall through because the little boy that they showed at the end of season 2 was not Thomas, who is the actor that plays their son.
Mas Ju, por quê? O que eles te disseram?
Eles alegaram que a gente não tem meios adequados para cuidar de uma criança numa casa saudável.
Só porque são duas mulheres, né? Caralho, isso é um absurdo.
E a assistente social, ela vinha aqui toda semana. Aí eu pesquisei e eu vi que as visitas são periódicas, mas não semanalmente. A gente tinha acabado de comprar uma cama pra ele. Foi a coisa mais triste que eu já vivi na minha vida.
Eu sei que é triste, mas a Juliana disse que o advogado reuniu alguns papéis e eu não sei direito porque ela tava nervosa. Eu não quis incomodar, ficar perguntando, mas eu acho que estavam dizendo que ela era incapaz de cuidar do Victor, sabe?
Ninguém pode provar que vocês não são capazes de cuidar.
Sei. A gente tá fazendo de tudo. E a gente vai correr atrás pra conseguir o Victor de volta. E a gente vai conseguir. Você consegue imaginar como que ele tá se sentindo agora? O aniversário dele daqui a alguns dias. A única coisa que ele tinha pedido era um bolo de M&M. A gente já tinha providenciado o bolo. A única coisa que ele queria era um bolo de M&M.
Oh, so maybe that person fucked with everything. That it? Oh. That weren't bad, to be honest. That weren't bad. Immediately started off with the bullshit, which is fair enough. You've got to hook in the audience. Yeah, that weren't bad at all. Again, you know, it's quite interesting to see that because at the beginning of the first season, they were a very new production. They'd done a few little things here and there. But you can see with the seasons progressing, the quality of the camera work and the editing has also gone up. So they're learning as they're playing, essentially. So it's really great to see how everything's changing and adapting. And to be honest, I think they were quite surprised how well the first season did and then the second season did. That they've actually got a bit more money to, you know, buy better equipment and whatnot. Because I assume pretty much most of the people that are involved in this project weren't paid a lot. Even when they were producing Stupid Wife, there weren't no one was paid a lot, you know, because there just wasn't that kind of money involved. So everyone just did it because they enjoy doing this and it's a passion. Yeah, I'll definitely carry on with season 3. Season 2, I don't know, season 2 bugged me a bit. It was a bit and then it kind of just skipped over stuff, and then the whole thing with the miscarriages, and they didn't discuss therapy, and she pretty much had a mental breakdown, yet she didn't seek any professional help, and that's nothing to be frowned upon. If you need therapy, you need help. It is what it is. It's nothing bad about asking for help. Hopefully with the season 3, maybe they touch on that subject a little bit, but we're definitely gonna have more bullshit with them trying to get a kid. bullshit with the stalker. The best friend's in the picture, so we're probably going to have some bullshit story involving him. And then we'll probably have some bullshit story involved with the two other side characters. And maybe the social worker. So there's a lot of bullshit that can be added to the pie. We'll just have to see if it's actually going to be a nice pie. But yeah, I'll see you fuckers for the next one.